Alright, today I'm going to be doing a Pixar movie tier list. So let's get it started. A Bug's Life. A Bug's Life is a timeless movie. Brave. Brave is good. Cars 2. Eh. Cars 2 ain't bad. It's alright. Cars 3. Alright, we just took it too far with the Cars 3. Coco. Coco is good. Cars. Cars is timeless. Finding Dory. Finding Dory was not that good. Finding Nemo, timeless. Inside Out. I vaguely remember Inside Out, so I'm gonna say okay. Luca, never seen that. Monsters Inc. Timeless. Monsters University. Timeless. Pixar Onward. I don't remember that. Ratatouille. I personally didn't like Ratatouille. Soul was good. The Good Dinosaur. I don't remember this movie. Incredibles 2. Incredibles 2 was alright. It was good. The Incredibles was timeless. Turning Red. Turning Red was good. Toy Story 1, timeless. Toy Story 2 was great. Toy Story 3 was great. Toy Story 4 was okay. Up. Up is timeless. Wally. Wally is good. Lightyear. I don't remember this movie. I don't remember Elemental. Incredibles 3. Incredibles 3 was not as good as the other one, so okay. Coco 2. Coco 2 was okay. Hoppers. Hoppers was okay. Elio, am I saying that right? Was okay. Toy Story 5. Alright, you make it too many Toy Stories now. Calm down. Inside Out 2 was okay. And that's the list.